Hey, welcome back to Anxiety Kitchen. If you're new here, go ahead and, like and subscribe. Because, Flea says please. My sous chef today is the wonderful Fleabag. Yes, named after the Amazon original show. If you haven't watched it, you should, because it's just... So, today, we are going to make Danish butter cookies. You listening? This is important. They are called, hang on. I've been practicing. Vaniljekranse. Ooh, Vaniljekranse. In English, it means vanilla wreaths. I got excited when I looked it up and I was just like, oh, Danish butter cookies. Like the ones that, that come in the little tin that you never know if it's actually cookies or if it's just going to be, buttons at your grandma's. But anyways, this is going to be cookies, not buttons. And are you going to pay attention? Because we gotta make these. It's very important. Okay? So I've already got all of my ingredients weighed out to save time. I've got flour, butter, sugar, and ground almonds. I'm gonna cream the butter and the sugar. It should be all right. It's mostly room temperature. I'm going to flip this around for the mixing and all that. Even though, I don't know. I could watch Flea all day. I usually do. She's a goober. Okay. Yeah. What am I doing? Getting sidetracked by my co-host, ma'am. This is why my mom doesn't like rats. Their tails freak them out. Don't worry. She had a bath. I Ratatouille style, I just stuck her in the dishwasher so she's nice and sanitized. Okay. Let's make some cookies. Now that we have our dough, I have to put it in a piping bag and pipe it, which I've already read is going to be quite a lot. So what we want to do is we want to pipe them into little wreaths, or attempt to without busting a bag open. This is not going to go well. Oh my god, she's thick. Y'all, how? 10 hours later. All right, Flea, what have we learned? Just because it looks simple doesn't mean everything's gonna go well. That's what I learned. I have so many questions for Danish people. Why y'all gotta make it so hard? Do you guys have like extra strength piping bags or something? Maybe I should invest. I went through several piping bags and then I just decided that I shouldn't be putting my hand through that. I injured my hand over the weekend. So, squeezing on a bunch of stuff, probably not a great idea. Huh. Well, here's the ones I piped. Cute, I guess. They didn't keep their ridges, nothing fantastical. And these are the ones I said, screw it. They all smell really good. They do have a nice little crispiness. The bottoms are nice and... All right. That one. Flea likes it. So yeah, Overall simple recipe. Well, let's find out what we're making. You want to pick one? No? Pick one. You want that one? I'm gonna go with this one. It's the first one you touched. What are we making next week, baby? Ooh, okay. Sure, make yourself at home. Next week, we're doing Vietnam. And I don't know what it is. Cheese. That one. So yeah, that should be fun, right? It's all your fault, Flea. All right. Yeah, this week, I mean, I mean, they're delicious, so no complaints there. Execution, just a little weird. Hurt my hand more, but whatever. Anyways, hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're up to something fun and exciting. Are you up to anything fun and exciting? I'm not giving you more cookie. Your little rat brain will explode. I gotta give some to your siblings though. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hope you're having a great time. And do not bite my ear, ma'am. Jeez Louise. Okay. I'll see you next Tuesday. Say bye.